This is the shocking moment CCTV and police bodycam footage, allegedly showing 3 police officers being assaulted at Manchester Airport, has been played to jurors. Minutes later, 3 police officers confronted the men at the pay station in the terminal's car park. What followed was described in court as a high level of violence. Jurors at Liverpool Crown Court watched CCTV footage from multiple angles. Footage the prosecution says clearly shows the siblings striking out at officers. The incident involves 20-year-old Mohammed Fahir Ahmaz and his brother, 26-year-old Mohammed Ahmad. Prosecutors say the brothers lashed out after officers were called to Terminal 2 on the 23rd of July last year, when Ahmaz allegedly headbutted a customer inside a Starbucks. Ahmaz denies 3 counts of assault, occasioning actual bodily harm to the 3 police officers, and 1 count of assault at Abdul Karim Ismail, the customer at Starbucks. Ahmad denies 1 count of assault, occasioning actual bodily harm to PC Marsden. What do you think? Leave your thoughts in the comments.